Good morning, everyone. Today I have present here Dr. Amita, who is here from Punjab University. She is a professor who's been pursuing her interest in the field of pharmaceutics. And today she came here at Saraswati Group of Colleges to deliver a very amazing lecture on the topic that was regulatory drug affairs in India, USA and Europe, a comparative study. So I welcome here you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Really amazing.
I'm thankful for the invitation to my dear colleague, the very vivacious and dynamic Dr. Sarwal. Thank you so much.
Definitely, ma'am. So, ma'am, how was experience here coming to the college?
Yeah, it was good. The college, as far as infrastructure is concerned, the college is good. I visited the facilities, the classroom and everything. It was a good experience. And especially, I would like to compliment upon the students.
Okay.
The response that I received from the student, actually, I came here with no expectation. But somehow, the response that I received from the students was very encouraging. I could connect with them. And the good part was, whatever I was conveying, it was received. The students were recipient and they were curious about it. Okay, so that gave me quite satisfaction. I was happy about that. Yeah.
Okay. So, ma'am, since I'm from Pharmaceutics field, I wanted to ask you, how did you generate your interest in pharmaceutics?
Well, Pharmaceutics has been my favorite subject from the day one, the day I joined pharmacy. So I have always loved working in Pharmaceutics lab, preparing all those formulations, because maybe we're using all these things in our day-to-day life. And coming to the background of these things, how it's prepared, how it is, what all is involved at the technical point of view, that generated my interest. Well, that was the main thing. And I mean, formulation is the one which totally holds my interest.
Okay. So, ma'am, I've read you have even got a startup grant for the development of acyclovir. So, you want to talk about that?
Yeah. That was a grant which was given by SGC.
Okay.
And that was a kind of encouragement which they provide for the beginners in the profession.
Okay.
When we joined our department, so they give you a grant so that you can, start with your research work, start with your establishment. So we have developed a formulation for acyclovir, and acyclovir is very much involved in vaginal infections.
Okay.
So we have developed a vaginal tablet which is easy to, I'm from industry. I have almost 4-5 years of experience.
Okay.
And from my experience, what I have learned, the technology that we are developing has to be scalable.
Okay.
And something which can be scaled, something which can be, manufactured easily. So I worked on a tablet only which is scalable, economical from industrial point of view, and we gave it a twist by developing a formulation to which converts into a hydrogel.
Okay.
Once it is inserted into the vagina.
Okay.
That was very effective in taking care of the local viral infection, which is very common in case of like HPV, HIV, that kind of thing.
Okay, ma'am. It's very drastic, I could say, a medicine which would be helpful.
Yeah. We are still working on the background development, and hopefully we would reach to a level of technology transfer for that product.
Okay, definitely. So, ma'am, I wanted to ask you one more thing. Why do you think pharmaceutics is important as a subject in terms of pharmacy?
Pharmaceutics is very important as a subject because, pharmaceutics is the branch which is going to understand the requirement.
Okay.
As far as pharmacy is concerned, drugs are concerned, besides the dosage regimen, the compliance is very important.
Correct.
So pharmaceutics is going to help you to follow that regimen. It helps you to improve the compliance. A very simple thing. Ciprofloxacin. Vaccine used to have this Cifran. It was a 500 mg tablet twice a day. And as we all know, antibiotics, you have to take it for 5 days at a specific period of time. But the person who's working, or even the students or anyone, they tend to forget.
Yeah.
So they came up with a very simple thing like Cifran. It was a 1 gram tablet and to be taken one day. So it becomes very easy to follow. People are taking the medicine at one time and none for the day. They don't need to remember, okay, I need to take it again. The chances of missing on that dose is nullified.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So if you are able to improve the compliance, half of the regimen is followed and the efficacy is increased, which is all pharmacy is about. And we need to increase the efficacy by increasing the compliance. And pharmaceutics is the thing which can definitely help. We are coming upon we have so many inhalers, we have so many patches, even we have insulin pens.
Yeah.
So that is pharmaceutics.
Okay. So, ma'am, do you have any specific favorite formulation?
Yeah, my area of interest is one is with the long-acting parenterals.
Okay.
Where you need to take an injection and you have to forget it for 3 to 6 months. I mean, this is nothing more convenient with that.
Definitely.
You are having the therapy, you are following the dosage regimen, but you don't have to bother about it.
Yes.
So that is one of my favorite. Then of course, I like to, I've generated a new interest, that is gummies.
Okay, gummies. Yeah.
Gummies. है ना? So that is a thing which is, acceptable for huge lot of population.
Correct.
It is popular with pediatrics, it is popular with adults. So that is also a thing. And of course, it is easier to make
Yes.
and easier to maintain. And you can do so much with it. You can add flavors, you can just have textures. So that is also something which is kind of holding my interest very recently.
They are gaining popularity. Gummies and all those. So, ma'am, any message you have for all the students who are coming in the field of pharmacy or studying here?
My message is that it can be a compromise when you join pharmacy initially, but along with the time, I'm very sure it holds your interest and it has such wide avenues, huge avenues. Only thing is you need to keep your light, you need to keep your vision broad. Okay? So, catch upon the opportunity, listen to what all is happening. Whatever things, like I told them, a very simple thing, Daikin had a recall in India. So, just go through it, why it was recalled, what was the problem. So, these kind of things, they're always going to hold your interest, they're always going to benefit you, and they're going to make you aware what is the requirement of the profession.
So, thank you so much, ma'am. It was a great pleasure having you here today.
So much. Thank you, sir. It was a pleasure being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.